A video by Abron. This is a geo-tagging system for animals, for any of your instrument or by car or motorcycle or any other vehicle. It comes with a geo-tag. It has a tag which is you can put the geo-tag here. It has to have a SIM, a working SIM for a mobile SIM. These are holders. You can put, although it comes with all SIM sizes comes with a cutting these SIMs can be put it here, and then you can close it, and there is a SOS signal point also. You can attach it to the mobile, and then you can track where the animal, if you put it with the belt to the dog or animal or wild animal or your animals, cat or animals. So this is working for one animal at a time or in the one car or any place. This goes, it is trackable, traceable, and here where it goes you can see what is the working, how it is to be attached. There are some points to check: location, current location, what are the places and where it is going and what emergency calls if it needs to be done, authorization, and listening to the voice call back. You can put it if the dog is there or the SIM has gone and somebody has the vehicle, he doesn't know who is the owner, he can call back. Emergency alarms are also there. Then there are other features you can see, and there are other points which are visible. It works with the SIM. You have to buy the SIM from the local mobile company, and then it can be used. This is a data cable for attaching to this. You can attach it and then work. This has a serial number, and very easy, small, handy, and very easy, just like a small coin. It can be done. Please visit the website, and this is a WhatsApp number. Email abron01@gmail.com. abronexports.com is the website. You can buy from us or use it locally. Thank you very much.